Hi, my name is Elvis, and today I want to show you a very quick demo of what we've done so far with Tikiwiki IoT. If you want to build a dashboard for your IoT application, chances are you probably use tools like Node-RED, Blink, Arduino Cloud to collect, process, and display your data into a unified dashboard. So we built a similar tool using Tikiwiki CMS existing features. Everything is open source and you can build a very flexible dashboard and achieve some high level of automation. If you don't know Tikiwiki, I recommend you go to tiki.org and you will learn more how to use it. And if you are new to Tiki, I recommend you reading the documentation at doc.tiki.org. So let's go back to our topic. So to access the Tiki IoT side of things in Tiki, for the first time, you have to type in the URL manually, like tiki-iot underscore dashboard.php, or you can add this Tiki IoT URL to a menu module so that you can access it very quickly, similar to what I did here. Probably you'll have some unactivated feature. I did this on purpose to show that you can see such a screen. And the first thing you have to do is to activate all these features because we need them for IoT to work in Tiki. So I will activate this. And then I get to this screen where there is no IoT app or anything. So the first thing I want to do is to set up the tracker. In Tiki, trackers are like no-code database. If you need to learn more about it, I'll paste the link in the video description and you will discover how to use trackers. So now I need to create first a tracker, which will be the database for all the information that our hardware is going to send to the application, and then we'll come back to this IoT stuff to show you how to build the automation and also how to display your data. So heading to trackers, I'm gonna create a new tracker and I'll call it, let's say you want to build a dashboard where you want to let's see a very quick example. You want to monitor the gas level in the kitchen. Yeah, call it gas level. I'll save, and then I'll add some field in it. And here, the field we need are like the. If you only have one kitchen, then probably you don't need the name. But I think it's useful to have the name of the kitchen, and then to have the temperature. I mean, the gas level. So this will be a numeric value, so I'm gonna choose the right data type. Correct. Now, as you can see here, we can add, for example, kitchen number 1. This is just an example, and this gas level is, I don't know, is it in percentage? I don't know. Let's say 40. Sorry, I'm not sure what I should put here. Let's say it's in percentage for now. And then now that we have this tracker, it's like a database, right? So everything you save here is stored into your application, and later I'm going to show you how we will pair this database with our IoT dashboard. So going back to the IoT, I'm going to create an app called gas level tracker. Yeah, and we select the tracker, we correct like the database, as I said, for our IoT app would be the gas level tracker. Then I'll save, right? Then once you have access to this dashboard, we got two tabs. The first one is the flow design, and the second one is the dashboard UI design. Here in the flow design, what you can do is doing things like what should happen when we receive a given data. How is the app gonna react to the data we receive? So this is where you decide, and it's a drag and drop. So for example, I'm gonna take the sensor input, and here I will choose like the gas level. This is just an example, and I will put some mathematic comparison here. So you can put here in a math field. We've got a math field in Tiki. I'll paste the link here to know how to write this syntax. But you can write ranges, you can write like single conditions from here. I'll paste the link here so you can learn more about it. So yeah, you can make a decision based on the value and say, for example, if it exceeds the threshold, then send an email address. This is the first example. Or you can say call a webhook. You put the URL and it calls a webhook when that specific condition happens. Or you can say I wanna change the hardware state of my like of my IoT device that's collecting the data. So for example, you can say I wanna turn off the light when the gas level is like 100. It's just an example. So put here the ID of the input, I mean of the output, and then you say the state and you save. So when that particular condition happens, this flow will make sure the same scenario happens on your dashboard and on your IoT device. The next thing we have is the dashboard UI design, and from here you design how you want to present your app, because we've got trackers to hold our data, we've got the flow to decide what happens in the background when we receive the data, but we'll still have to decide how we want to see the data we have, because things can't keep happening in the background and we don't know what's really happening. That's why we need to have such a dashboard where we can see, and designing the dashboard is not complicated. So for in our case, I say that if the gas level is estimated from 0 to 100, then we can show that into a gauge widget, sorry. So I will take this half gauge, right? The data source will be the gas level. This is just the icon, probably let's just take one. And then here you can customize the colors. Customize the colors. The data unit, in our case, it's percentage. The label is gas level. So everything is okay. You can add it to the camera. There you go. So after doing this, of course, we have to save. After doing this, we can preview the app in real time. This is a very important feature, because if you open the app, let's say on a big screen in a manufacturing like block, you need to see how the data is going without coming and reloading your page every time. So we've got a real-time dashboard, and you can get a link from here. So it shows exactly how you set up your app, and every time your physical device sends new information, this dashboard will update accordingly. We've got Tiki real time working under the hood, and I'll paste the link in the description to show you how to set up the real time in Tiki. So on the other side, if you need to connect your IoT device uh, um, to this instance or to this TikiCMS instance, you now need this token. So any like you need the app ID and the access token, and I will also show you exactly how your request should be like, so that you can know how to send the request from your physical device to your app, so that the data can be dated in real time. The contributions are also welcome. I will paste also the link of our GitLab repo, so that you can also bring your ideas. And yeah, we've got a working instance of the IoT app here online. So I'm going to show a video I recorded here in the below of the screen. I'm gonna show you a video I recorded when my physical device was sending the temperature data to this dashboard, and we were able to see here how uh, the things were going on our physical device. So yeah, again, now the device is connected, and that's why you saw that the gauge has changed the value. So thank you for watching this. I hope that you've learned something new today, and see you in the next videos.